chapter 23 composition. Topic is letter writing. Everybody know what is a letter? So everybody has, today we are using lots of mobiles and lots of net, that is computers, to send messages. But the only process in olden days are to write a letter. Yes, to whom we are going to discuss or we want to talk, who are farther from us, they have to write a letter to their belongings. Yes, so letter writing is a very important and interesting thing. On various occasions we have to write letters to our friends, relatives and parents, as well as for official use. Official use means for office work. Yes, you can see letters that we write to our family members or friends are called personal letters. On the other hand, letters that we write for office use are called formal letters. These letters are also called applications. So these letters are also called applications. So let's see, children. You can see that we told that letter writing is to write letters to some belongings or for office use, official work. Yes, so letter writing is of two types. That is, one, we told that personal letters. Yes, personal letters. What is personal? Can you tell me, children, what is personal? Yes, personal is nothing but to whom we are writing, to our near and dear. That is parents. Yes, parents, friends and uncles or aunt, or else you can see your wife or your husband. So in like that. So here personal letters are the letters written to personally are called the personal letters. Okay, and coming to next we are going to discuss, that is, we are writing a letter writing to an official use, that is we call as formal letters. Formal letters that is used for official office work, office or school, or for some any government office, governments to write something. That is, you may write for applying any, you can if for formal letters means sometimes we write a letter regarding any current problem. Yes, or else we can write letter regarding any sanitary problem in schools. Okay, or else regarding any water problem, drinking water problem, any issues faced in your colony. So these all comes under the formal letters. Yes, but when coming to personal letters, see what is the personal letters means. See, you are welcoming to your friend for summer vacation. Yes, and also some your parents you are asking for something, you are asking says to send money to your parents. Yes, so those are called the personal letters. So note it down, children. Letter is of two types, that is personal letters and formal letters. So you can see here how to write a personal letter and how to write a formal letter. Yes, the box you can see here in the page number 146. You can see the address given here. Okay, address given. What is the date you are writing, on which day you are writing, you have to write it on the left side. Yes, on the left side of the letter. Everybody know a letter. If you don't know, just go to a post office and you can buy a letter. You can see there what is a letter. Yes, there, here you can see the address written on the left side, date is written, and dear mother. Here dear mother is written, that is salutation. Salutation means you are wishing. Yes, you are something wishing to your mother. This is I think it is you can say this is a personal letter. Okay, so, and body of the letter, first you have to write writer's address. Writer's address means we are writing the letter, so we have to write our address. Then date you have to write. Then salutation means some wish, dear mother. Okay, you're writing to your mother. Then body of the letter is to write something, what you want to say, you have to write it on the letter. That is the body of the letter. Lastly, at the ending of the message, you have to write the subscription. Subscription means you're ending a letter by some wish, yours lovingly. Yes, and signature, your name. Okay, your signature you have to put it at the end of the letter. This is called the personal letters. Personal letters. Yes, you can see here the first one. Write a letter to your father asking him to come to pick you up at the station. So here you are writing a letter to your father to come and pick up. Yes, he is coming to the station. You have to take him. Yes, pick him up. So this is the personal letter. Just go through this personal letter that you can see here. 10th State Bank Colony, Mathura. You can see here, this is who writing the letter. Who is writing? Rajiv is writing the letter. So he wrote his address. Okay. And date he wrote at the left side. He is wishing salutation, dear daddy. And here, body of the letter. I hope you received my letter that I wrote to you last week. I want to remind you once again that I will be reaching Mathura on 25th night by the Rajdhani Express. My coach number is 798086. Please come to the station to pick me up. I look forward to seeing you soon. Yours lovingly, Rajiv. Yes, so here Rajiv is writing a letter to his father to pick him up. Okay, so this is the personal letter written by Rajiv to his father. And the second one, you can see your brother is going to appear in final examination of class 5th. Write a letter to him wishing him good luck. Means here you are wishing him to write the exams good. He has to perform his exams well. So you are wishing him. So here the letter is written to his brother. Okay. Shalini is writing a letter to his brother Saurabh. These are the personal letters. So then next one, you can see writing applications. Applications means here formal letters are also called as applications, children. Formal letters are also called as applications. Writing something, you are applying something to the in office work for office use. That is what the office applications. You can see there are various occasions when students have to write applications to the principal of their school to grant leaves, to accept late payment fine, to arrange debates in the school, or to grant full fee concession. The following important points are to be kept in mind while writing applications. While writing applications, you have to follow the rules in the official work in the formal letters. First, the who writes a letter, they have to write the address. Yes. Then you have to go to the next designation of the person to whom you are writing, that you have to mention. Yes, not the name you have to mention to an officer you are writing. So you have to write a designation of the person. Okay. Next you have to write the address of to whom you are writing. Those address you have to write. Then date you have to write. Below the city and the pin code you have to write. Then subject, brief description of the topic. Yes, subject you have to write, means about what you are seeking, means about what you are asking. Okay, you have to write there. Then after, means brief means shortly you have to write. Then after that description you will be written in the body of the letter. Then you have to write the salutation, respected sir or ma'am, on the left hand side of the application. At the left hand side of the application you have to write. Then body of the letter means always body of the letter means you have to explain about what you are writing. Message you want to give, what message you wanted to give. Then subscription is some salutation you are asking. You are asking for something to say you're saluting to whom you're writing. Then your name at the end, and also which class you belong to and what is your roll number. That is, you have to write in the letter. This letter is written to the principal, so you have to write the name and also you have to write the class roll number in the letter. So in similar ways, there are different kinds of letters, not kinds of letters. Applications may be written to different officers. So the body of the letter may change, means subject may change, body of the letter may change, but always a formal letter must be in the given rules and regulations. So please follow that and please go through the exercise page number 149. You can see here your classmates, second one, your classmates are going to Mysore, Haridwar and Rishikesh on a trip. Write a letter to your father asking him to give your permission to go on to the trip. So here is the letter, children. Just try to write the letter. You have to write a letter to your father asking him for permission to send you to Mysore, Haridwar and Rishikesh or to go to the trip. So please write the letter, exercise letter 2 in your notebook, grammar notebook.